Have you ever noticed the Grok Imagine feature only gives vertical videos?
If you've been using Grok's Imagine feature, you've probably noticed something. It mostly generates portrait videos, perfect for mobile or Instagram Reels. But when you're aiming for cinematic wide-angle visuals, the kind that looks stunning on a big screen, those vertical videos just don't cut it. Take a look at my example. When I paste my prompt into Grok Imagine, it gives me all vertical animated clips, good for short-form content, but not ideal for cinematic storytelling. So here's a simple trick to fix that. Backhand index pointing, right? You'll just need one extra step. Before using Grok Imagine, generate your base image using another image generator that supports landscape orientation. There are plenty of options out there, like Google Nano Banana, Leonardo AI, or Prechance AI. Personally, I prefer Prechance AI because it's completely free with no daily limits on image generation. Here's what you do. Go to prechance.org. Paste the same prompt you use in Grok. Set the art style to cinematic. Change the shape to landscape. Choose how many images you want. I usually select 2. Hit Generate. Within a few seconds, you'll get beautiful cinematic-style images in landscape format. Now simply download those images. Head back to Grok Imagine, upload your saved photo, and hit Make Video. And that's it. Grok will now generate a cinematic landscape video, ready for your next film-style project or YouTube upload.
If you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel.